Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Lover's Dangerous, chapter 51. So here it is. Let's read the story. It is getting late and Oh Chancy is asking her to go with a concert with her. Well, Wang Yuner, she was still not in the venue, but Oh Chancy, she was arriving early. Now, Oh Chancy, she kept looking on her watch roughly. She got really excited and also got worried about Wang Yuner still not here. Said to herself, she hasn't come yet. Now, she got really worried. Even the phone call is also unavailable and it really makes her worry. Looking at Ochensi, she looked really worried and also she got really confused. But suddenly, this girl suddenly puffed in and said, I'm here. Oh, is she really getting tricky towards Ochensi? We can really think that she's always like that. Well, Wang Yuner. Suddenly she was appearing and she was waving in front of Oh Chancy. She looks really hot. This girl, she really know how to coax people. Also, I thought you didn't remember this appointment. Oh Chancy, said to Wang Yuner. She was smiling and also she is teasing her and said, well, actually, I came a long time ago, hiding not far away on purpose, watching your heart break beat by beat. Well, she's really getting tricky, right? She's doing it on purpose. Well, oh Chancy, she's been dumbfounded. What kind of bad days is it? Last time you stood me up at the amusement park. Now, you know how to feel it. You're taking revenge on me. Oh Chancy said to Wang Yuner. Well, yes, I did for that. We are even now. I won't bring up the fuss anymore. Wang Yuner said to Oh Chancy. Oh, this girl, she really know how to trick people. Right now, she is trying to coax her. It's like cursing and the dirty words, so your heart's clean. That's right, Sissy is indeed a very insightful. Wang Yuner said, can other things be repaid in kind? Oh, she wanted to trick her also and trying to bribe her. What do you think? Can Wang Yuner really fall for her trick? Now, what else? Wang Yuner said, did she always think that I have to take advantage of you? The fact you can also take advantage of me. Well, that was really cheap. For example, Wang Yuner said, she grabbed her and hugging her tightly. According to the principle of hug, for a hug, you should hug me tighter now. Oh Chances said to Wang Yuner. Now, after hearing her, said that, of course, Wang Yuner, she was laughing at heart. Sunshine, your hearsay. Well, she was still laughing at her. She moved closer. It's like a stepping stone. Well, definitely, these two girls, they really like teasing each other, especially for Wang Yuner who always give her insight. Well, suddenly, she kissed her gently and said, I love you so much. Oh, she's really getting tricky, right? Also, she become vocal and she's not getting shy anymore. Look, look at each other. Well, it seems to be they're really falling in love with each other. By gift stirring itself, we can say that it was really a pure love. And suddenly said, let's go to the concert. Well, Bang Yuner, she was humming. Well, let's see what's gonna happen. The two of them are really meant for each other. Wang Yuner, Sissy, attaches so much importance to this concert, she must be have prepared a surprise for me. Wang Yuner, she got really excited to go inside to see what are the things are really good for her. But when they came inside, everything seems to be empty. Oh, what's happening? Did they real early or it was a surprise, but no, the strangeness. Sissy, are we here too early? Now, Huang Yuner, she got really confused. It seems that she was in the different places. Can I book the whole place for you? Oh, you finally did what a taster would do. Huang Yuner said, Oh Chensi, this girl, even though she's not so serious, still, they really fit together. We're booking a concert. I'm really looking forward to it. Well, Young Yunner said. Now, it makes sense. They look really serious, especially for Wang Yuner that she doesn't know what's gonna happen next, but still, oh Chensi, but the concert I arranged is not. What do you think? What is it for? It seems that it was really sympathy for her. Now, the fun, they're going to start playing the music. Everyone seems to be good at playing the roles, especially after hearing what the first things is right now. Wang Yuner suddenly she got voice. It's like she's seeing a ghost in front of them. What do you think? What is it? This song is my sister composed for her. Now it makes sense. It seems that she really wanted something, but still, she keeps silence also. 3 years ago, sister, the piano piece that you played just now was so nice, was written for me. This time, it was written to the person I like, her sister said to her. Now, it was playing and has been back then, Wang Yuner. She was really happy. At the same time, she's really surprised. Oh, I understand. It's during the ambiguous period. Once you confirm the relationship, well, back then, she was really excited to know who's the person whose her sister has want to be with. Now, makes sense. Why this song? This so coincidence. Now, she got really worried about this. Thanks for listening. The show is over. Now, they're bowing. Is this the only song? Well, it seems that she's really getting surprised. Yes, this is the only one. I believe that those who understand will understand naturally. Oh, Chancy, said the Wang Yuner, but Wang Yuner still. She kept like she was in trance. Also, she was holding herself. Can you understand? Wang Yuner said to her. But, oh Chancy, at this moment, is she trying to coax her or trying to calm her down? But, Yuner, she withdrew her hands and said, the art is matter of the personal opinion. How? How do you want me to interpret it? Well, let's see what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining a membership or you can directly support me by a Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.